In this guide, I'll show you how to deregister your Nintendo account on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Nintendo eShop and then sign into your Nintendo account. Then what you want to do is navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner and select it, and then scroll down to settings on the left sidebar and scroll over, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Now when you deregister your Nintendo account from your Switch 2, what it essentially does is it makes your account not the primary account on your console, which will allow you to set it up on a different Switch 2, but now all users on this current Switch will no longer be able to access your games, any digital content, subscriptions, and more. So if you want to go through with this process, you can select deregister, and then you'll just have to sign into your Nintendo account to prove it's yours. So after you've completed that process, it'll bring you back here and you'll no longer be registered. So at this point, you can press the home button on your controller, and if you ever want to make your Nintendo account the primary again on your console, simply open up the Nintendo eShop and it'll automatically do it. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.